Hello Year 1. How did you get on with the mind workout yesterday? Did you have a go? So we're asked the question here, are these equal quarters? Are they the same? So we have here, it says they don't look the same. These are not quarters. That's what Charles says. But Emma says, I disagree. I think these are quarters. Did you have a go? Let's have a look. Let's put let me show you what I did. I made that shape, the rectangle, and I drew the lines like it was in the picture and then cut them out. So there's the picture. Oops, bit wobbly this morning, but today. There's my quarters. Are they quarters? What do we remember about quarters? That's right, there are 4 parts, but they are equal. How do we know if these are equal? What could we do? That's right, we can put one on top of each other. So if I take these 2 quarters, first of all, and put them on top of each other, they are equal. Yes, so those 2 quarters are equal there. What about these 2 quarters? If I put those on top of each other, they are equal. But in our quarters, remember, each piece has to be equal. So if I match that piece with that, are those triangles the same? No. So are these quarters, are these equal, 4 equal parts? And the answer is no. Did you have a go with a square? Because if you have a go with a square, it says here, make quarters using a square. Do you think they would be equal? If so, why? That's right, because in a square, each side is the same length. That's a special shape. Each side is the same. So if you cut those diagonally in a square, you would get equal parts. So well done. I hope you've enjoyed fractions. And can you remember what a half is? A quarter? Can you show it? Could you draw it? And can you group or share things to get a half or a quarter, to have 2 equal groups or to have 4 equal groups? And can you find a half or a quarter of group things? Today, there's no teaching to do apart from that, but we're going to have a go, or you're going to have a go at these pages in here. It's called a review. How much can you remember? So we're doing this page here where you've got to shade half of the shape, a quarter of the shape, half of the shape and another quarter. In this one, it's asking you to circle, write in the missing numbers. Read the question and see if you can work out. So there are 22 books. Emma reads half of them. How many? And then a question on apples. And then one more page. Can you find a quarter of this? And this is asking you a quarter. See if you can have a go. And can you remember halves and quarters? Well done.